Today, every company is making decisions based on data, from startups to global companies. The demand for skilled data analysts is growing rapidly. Businesses generate massive amounts of data every day: customer data, sales data, website data, and marketing data. But without skilled professionals to analyze this data, companies cannot make a right decision. That's why data analysts are amongst the most in-demand professionals today. At MCTA, our AI integrated data analytics program is designed to help you learn these skills through practical training and real-world projects. In this course, you will learn advanced Excel, SQL, Power BI for data visualization, data analytics technique, AI for data analyst, Python for data analysis, and many more. The course focuses on practical, hands-on learning where students work on real databases, build dashboards, and practice data analysis techniques used in the industry. You will learn all the industry-relevant tools commonly used by data analysts with practical hands-on experience. The course focuses on practical training so you can apply these tools to analyze real data sets and generate meaningful insights. Most traditional data analytic courses focuses only on tools like Excel, SQL, Power BI, and Python to analyze data manually. At MCTA, our AI integrated data analytics course goes a step further. Along with these core tools, students also learn how to use AI to automate data analysis, generate insights faster, improve productivity. This helps students work smarter, analyze data sets quickly, and stay relevant in a marketplace where companies are using AI-driven analytics. In short, we just don't train students to become data analysts. We train them to become AI-enabled data analysts ready for the future. This course is designed as a 4.5-month intensive program with 110 hours of training and lets you choose between weekday or weekend classes, both in the online as well as offline format. This course is taught by experienced industry professionals who have 6 to 8 years of practical experience in their respective fields. Our faculty members have worked on real industry projects and bring hands-on knowledge of tools, strategies, real-world business scenarios into the classroom. After completing the data analytics program, students can apply for various analytical roles across industries and start their career as data analyst, business analyst, MIS analyst, data visualization specialist, operation analyst, and marketing analyst. Yes, this is a placement-oriented program. Our dedicated placement team supports students with resume building, interview preparation, and scheduling interviews with hiring partners, helping them start their career in data analytics. Data analysts are required across industries: IT, banking, e-commerce, healthcare, marketing, and startup. Freshers can earn 4 lakh to 8 lakh per annum, and experienced professionals can earn much higher. If you want to build a career in data analytics and learn these in-demand skills, connect with MCTA and start your journey into the world of data.